Polestar's own scalable sports car architecture allows us to engineer stunning vehicles like the Precept and its sibling, the O2 Roadster. With minimal modifications to the bonded unibody, the platform can be adapted for different applications without compromising weight or stiffness, providing a truly responsive drive. We identified the material aluminium as a great contributor towards a more circular use of raw materials. This is due to its excellent recycling properties. The aluminium panels are labeled in different grades so that they can be separated at the end of the vehicle's life. This way, we can ensure the purity of different aluminium qualities, which can then be recycled and used in the next product, again in the optimal context. This is an important contribution in our path to reach circularity, a key to true zero carbon emissions in the future. In order to develop a fully climate-neutral car, at Polestar we are already identifying the necessary steps to reach this goal in 2030. This process leads us to question the way the industry has been doing things for decades. Today, interiors host a wide array of components using different materials and being bonded together again with different adhesives. That's where the idea of monomaterials comes in. The foam, the adhesive and the 3D knit fibers are made from one material, a highly recyclable thermoplastic, which becomes the sole ingredient of all the soft components of the O2's interior. This way, after disassembly, most of the seat can be recycled as the same material, a significant step towards greater circularity.